Now let's run our application and see the different changes that we have made and how the order will be created in the database. So let me log in to an admin user, add few items to the cart, modify our shopping cart, and hit continue. We'll populate the details here and let's hit submit order. In the header here you see inquiry confirmation, but we see 1 right here. So we can use that inside our inquiry confirmation view to modify what we display here. That being said, let me switch to SQL Server and go to order header table. In there we see our first record, which has created by order date. The final order total is not reflected, so we'll fix that. Transaction ID, that's valid if it's null right now. Everything else looks good. Let me switch back to the project inside our cart controller where we have the final order total. Here we have the order total. Let's try to find out why this did not work. We'll add a debugger. Let's go back and add a new product. Let's go to cart. Let's make it 3, update cart. Let me add one more product here. Go to cart, continue, and hit there. And if we examine here, let's take a look at the order total, that is 0. Once you see that the order total is 0, that means there is some issue with price or square feet. So let's examine our product list. In here you can see the price is 0. So for some reason the price is not being posted when we hit the button. So if we go back to our summary, let's examine where we have the price in the for loop. Right here we have the for loop. The price is not there in the hidden field and hence you are facing this issue. So we can add both price as well as temp square feet to be safe. So we should add both of these and then you won't face any issue. Once you do that, if you go back and try to add a new product to the cart and place an order, let's hit the submit order here. This time you'll see the order total is populated correctly. So great, that is working as expected. Now before I close this, I want to show you one optimization trick, or rather reducing redundant for each loop. Here you have a for each loop. The goal of this for each loop is just to calculate order total. If you comment this out, you can do that using link in a single line. We'll also comment out the order total. Here, rather than using order total, we can just say the product user view model. On that we have the prod list. What we want to do is we want to perform a sum operation where we want to multiply the temp square feet by price. This will do the same calculation that we were doing using 4 lines of code. So we have simplified that logic here and everything will still be the same. In the next video, let's work on the inquiry confirmation view when we place an order.